Hello everyone, my name is Evelyn and my partner name is Suhaina. Today we are going to show you how to make RJ45 connector or UTP cable. The tool we make RJ45 connector is cable tester, UTP cable, crimping tool, wire stripper, and the last one is a RJ45 connector. Firstly, prepare all the necessary equipment. Secondly, cut and remove the sheeting on the cable using a stripper. Thirdly, separate the wire according to this color scheme: orange, white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, and the last one is brown. Next, grab one RJ45 connector. Insert the wire into RJ45 connector according to the color scheme. After that, trim the RJ45 connector tightly using a crimping tool. Then repeat step 1 to 5 for the other end of the UTP cable. Lastly, use a cable tester to test the cable. If the lights on the cable tester flash from bulbs 1 to 8, this means the cable is working.